Hello friends, welcome to Filmora video editing tutorial. Today I will demonstrate an effortless method to craft a stunning intro skin template using Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported a green color solid, a white color solid and a video. Add the green color solid to the timeline and I have set the duration to 15 seconds. Now add the white color solid to the timeline and adjust the duration. Add the rectangle mask to the white solid. Increase the scale value of the mask to 60%. Change the mask size and position as shown in the video. Again add the green color solid and adjust the duration. Add the rectangle mask and adjust the size and position as shown in the video. The template should look like this. Select all the images and create a compound clip using right mouse button. Move the compound clip to the above video track. Add a video to the timeline. Select the compound clip. Enable the chroma key from AI tools. Here the green color is removed automatically. If the green color is not removed automatically, use the color picker tool to eliminate it. Lock the compound clip. Lock options help prevent incorrect selections. Resize the video and adjust its position to fit your needs. Add the rectangle mask to the video. Adjust the size and position of the mask. Ensure the video remains within the frame boundaries. When you play the video, it looks like this. Now I will add a blurred background. Select the video. Enable the background from the basic tab. You can change the blur level from here. Select the compound clip. Reduce the opacity value of the compound clip. I have added some text and a logo. In this tutorial, I will not demonstrate how to add text, images, or apply text animations. I hope you all know that already. That's all from this tutorial. I hope all of you now understand how to create an intro skin template using Filmora. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care.